Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics diecast from the 2023 Wave 3. We have Daniel Suarez's Princess's Mediterranean Cruises, I think. Hang on, just let me see. Medallion class, So this is Daniel Suarez's Princess Medallion class car. And on the back, you can get other cars from the 2003 Wave 3, like Alex Bowman's car, which is this one, but the daylight version of this car. Chase Elliott, Ryan Blaney's Body Armor Elite car, Kyle Busch's Alsco car, Harrison Burton's 2023 version of his next-gen car, and Chase Briscoe's Mahinda, the Tractor's car, and look out for the Chase piece car of Chase Briscoe. Let's get Daniel Suarez out of the box. So here is the sticker. You have the Princess Medallion class. I think it's like either like airlines or even a cruise ship, I think. Here is the number 99, obviously with the simple Trackhouse slash through here. His name, Daniel Suarez, and of course the Mexican flag. So here's the car. So on the front of the hood, you got the logo of it, which there is I think like a person, like a girl over here with the wavy lines. And on the hood, it says Princess. And on the side of the car, you have the same thing, except it's now longer. And the logo is blue, as this is white. On the side, you have a black number 99, same with the Trackhouse slash through it. And on top of the car, you got a blue number 99 with the white slash line going through it, the same thing. And on the back, you have the logo and medallion class with a black number 99 and two blue lines coming out of the wave flows, kind of like the logo right here. And I'm not so sure what this sponsor is, but anyway, it is a nice design car. Nice with the blue and the white mix. Pretty well. And here's a 360 view of the car. And I think that'll be all for today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.